Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday and I'm gonna do a special type of video for you guys today. Give you a little bit more light. This is gonna be a little vlog style, but basically I am cleaning out and purging my closet today with the help of my cousin, who's also a life coach and a home organizer. So I'll put her info down below. She provides that to me if you're interested and are in the Atlanta area. So basically, yeah, I'm going to take you along the day as I organize and purge my closet. I did a deep clean in my whole apartment yesterday. So my closet and a storage area behind my sofa, which is really not supposed to be a storage area, is getting cleaned today. Both of them, hopefully. For sure the closet, hopefully the stuff behind my sofa. So let me go ahead and show you what my closet is looking like right now. Alright guys, so I'm in front of my closet and I am completely embarrassed to show you guys what this looks like. But what's an after shot without a before shot? So currently this is what I'm working with. So these are where my clothes are hanging. Above here it used to be all purses like you see there, and now I've run out of space and all of my pants. Some of my pants are up there, also some towels are up there, and a whole bunch of crap stuck back here. I have trash bags down here that are full of different things. One has some linens in it. Another has some clothes I need to try on and go through. Some things I need to donate. Some more things I need to try on and donate here. Then I have this dresser that is pretty full. On top of this dresser is a mess. Yeah, so there's just more piles and piles. A suitcase from Christmas that I never unpacked, and dirty clothes and whatnot. These are where my coats are right now as well. So that's what my closet is looking like. The goal is to purge and go through all of these, take out what I don't want or need or can't fit, and donate or sell or yeah, sell those, and then go through the trash bags, or I've already gone through the drawers, but you probably should go through them again and put away what's packed and what's in these duffel bags and what's in piles all over. So that is what I'm working with. All right, so I usually do this closet purge thing once a year. I did not do it last year. Did do it the year before, and it was very helpful. I actually felt that my closet was completely empty at the time that she finished, but now it's full and bursting at the seams again. Mainly going to focus on my closet, making it so that I can walk in and out a lot better, and just getting rid of things that I'm not wearing or haven't touched in years, and hopefully someone else can use, or the trash can use them, because some of the stuff is damaged, broken zippers, all of that as well. So waiting for her to get here. Should be about another hour till she's here, an hour or two or so. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I have made a little progress. My cousin is still not here yet, but I have pulled out all of these bags out of my closet. So my mom actually separated these bags when she was here for Christmas, and she labeled them. So apparently this is a bag full of t-shirts. This bag doesn't have a label. These were summer clothes. This is things I need to try on. This is giveaway. Some of my sorority shirts, and this is t-shirts bag number 3. So I don't know where bag number 1 or 2 is, but yeah, I pulled all of these out of my closet, and so now you can see the floor. So I emptied out that suitcase and put my smaller carry-on bag in there. This huge duffel bag is full of clean clothes, I believe. Now my heat wants to turn on. This trash bag has sheets and towels and some linen in there, and then this is dirty clothes. Yep. So the good thing is you can see the floor, so we want to keep that the same. I'm gonna start a load, a couple loads, and put those in the wash. And I'm gonna get these out and put them wherever I can find somewhere for them to go, these towels and things. And then yeah, I'm gonna drag this duffel bag out there too, so that we can go through that when she gets here. But right now I'm going to get a trash bag and just start on, this focuses, start on all of this junk. I know it's junk and old papers and random things, so I'm about to clean this off. This is pretty, if you can see, this is pretty clean. It's just like jewelry and some old perfume bottles. I really don't use these perfumes anymore, but I like the bottles. I like to keep some of them. So I'm just gonna reorganize this and dust and yeah, so that's what's going on. That's the update. I also wanted to add all of this is getting cleaned off and reorganized today. This is the table, my entryway. I'm going to, I liked having like some jewelry pieces right here so that I can pull off and take on, pull off things and put things on when I'm, you know, walking out the door. And I have this mirror here so that I can see myself, my last few accessories. But it just looks bad after a while after I keep piling things. So I am on the hunt for a new entryway table, a slimmer one. This is actually a desk, so I want something slim, maybe like this slim, so I can have more room to walk here, like a bigger walkway. And it's not gonna hold jewelry. I may have like a little dish with a couple things that it'll hold, but yeah, I want to clean off all of this, all of these lotions and perfumes I'm gonna put in there, as well as this jewelry I'm gonna put in there. Yeah, I may just leave this box for holding some things, I don't know, but yeah, I gotta clean this stuff off too. Okay, hi guys. So my cousin is here. Say hi.
Hi.
She's my home organizer, life coach / cousin, all in one. So she just got here, but so far I've taken out a few things out of my closet. So here's a stack here, and I'm gonna go through again. That's just like my initial pull. So oh, sorry, start. So while I go back through there, she's gonna take a look at what I have in these bags down here, and we're gonna start making some piles.
This is an eggnog turtle.
Alright guys, so I'm back with an update. Nicole is gone, and we have gone through my entire closet, all my drawers, even the storage under my bed that I had that I didn't think we were going to go through, but we did. So I have a sale pile, a trash pile, and a giveaway pile, and that's usually how she separates. I don't know if you could tell in the previous clips. I hope I labeled them well, but that's how we separate things. Sell what's just too damaged to keep, so you trash it, and then what's still good and you can give it to like Goodwill or Salvation Army. So this is my sale pile. I'm trying to decide some casual and then some sweaters and like nice clothes. Trying to decide whether or not to post these on like Poshmark or take them to like a Buffalo Exchange or consignment shop and sell them really quickly that way, which is what I usually do. Only thing is I just don't feel like, I probably could get more money from Poshmark, but I just don't feel like shipping them and listing them and all that stuff. I mean, I've never done it before, but I'm not interested. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it out. I'm going to take some pictures of all of the items tonight while I still have my dress form. And just in case I decide to. But probably this week, if I'm sick of seeing this big pile, I'm going to go ahead and take them to Buffalo Exchange and let them look through it. So this bag right here is my giveaway bag. This is going to be Salvation Army. Well, actually, no. I have a friend with a nonprofit, so I believe that she will take these items. So I have to contact her. This is just like some stuffed animals and extra pillows. I'm gonna see if she wants those as well. I don't really know what to do with that. And over here, I have my trash bag of clothes that were just too worn out and stretched out and damaged to keep. That's regular trash. And then here is my closet. So we went through things that were hanging. Right here I have some of my sorority shirts that I'm going to actually get made into a quilt because I can't give those to Goodwill. So I'm gonna try to get those made into a quilt. So for now, they need to go into storage until I can find that person that can make those, and that's a stuffed animal in there too. And then this bag is summer clothes, so I need to find a container to put those in or a box, and send that will be in storage as well. These are my dirty clothes that were in here. This is a jumpsuit that I'm going to get altered, so that's why it's sitting out, so I can remember to do that. So yeah, pretty much you still can't see my shoes under there, but I've gone through a lot. All of these drawers have been gone through and reorganized. I cleaned this off, so that's me right there. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna go right here. I actually don't want anything up here, but I'm sure I'll add something. So the last thing I need to do is, clean this off and organize it to go in here. So all my jewelry will be in here. And you know what? I don't know if I have an outlet in here, but if I could find a nice lamp to go in here, because there's not a lot of light. If I could put a lamp, I do have a lamp. Actually, one of my grandma's old lamps that I might be able to put right here. With this mirror that I need to clean off. This could be a nice, like, add your accessories space. So that's completely disgusting. Sorry you have to keep seeing that ugly water heater, but yeah, so that's my progress. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed watching me clean out and purge my closet, and that it motivates you guys to go ahead and get in there and get rid of some of those items that you're not wearing, you're passing over every time you go in your closet. Trash it and give it away or sell it. It can only benefit you, and plus it makes room for more new cute things. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope y'all enjoy these type of vlog videos. Definitely gonna try to do some more. I am on the hunt for, like I said, a new entryway table and a couple other things, some frames and some storage units to go behind my sofa. So I will be doing some shopping vlogs soon. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Hi guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled some IKEA shelving in my bedroom.